All right, in this week's recap, core inflation reaches a 10-year peak, oil's losing streak continues, earnings impress, and Wall Street indices have a mixed week.
Emotion has no place in your investments, so how do you know what news actually matters? Hi, I'm Eric, and in the next few minutes, we're going to forget the headlines and focus on the facts. Here's what really happened last week.
The possibility of the U.S. doubling tariffs on Turkish aluminum and steel sent stocks skidding worldwide Friday as diplomatic disagreements between the countries took on an economic aspect. Of the three major Wall Street indices, only the NASDAQ composite posted a weekly gain, rising 0.35% to 78.39. The S&P 500 fell 0.25% in 5 days, settling at 28.33 on Friday, and the Dow Jones Industrials Average ended the week 0.59% lower at 25,313. Friday, the Department of Labor reported inflation at 2.9% and core inflation at 2.4%. Both the headline and core CPIs rose 0.2% last month, matching the consensus forecasts of economists polled by Reuters. The yearly core inflation increase is the largest on record since September of 2008. The core inflation reading leaves out food and energy costs. The producer price index was flat in July, with the yearly advance declining slightly to 3.4%. The core PPI rose 0.3%, resulting in a 2.8% annualized gain. 91% of S&P 500 companies have reported quarter two results thus far. FactSet, the respected stock market analytics firm, reports that 72% have surprised to the upside in terms of sales, and 79% have topped earnings expectations. Weighing actual earnings results and future projections, FactSet estimates a 24.6% blended earnings growth rate for the second quarter. On Friday, the forward 12-month PE ratio for the S&P 500 was at 16.6. That compares to an average of 16.2 over the past 5 years. Oil falls for a sixth straight week. The last time crude suffered such a losing streak goes all the way back to 2015. Friday, oil settled at $67.63 on the NYMEX, even after a 1.2% advance during Friday alone. Some commodities investors believe that the emerging trade war will reduce demand for energy products. All right, looking ahead at this week, more companies will be reporting earnings all week long. Then on Wednesday, July retail sales numbers are out. On Thursday, Wall Street also considers new data on initial jobless claims and July home builder activity. And the University of Michigan's initial August Consumer Sentiment Index appears on Friday, plus the Conference Board's latest Leading Indicators Index. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you'd prefer to read the transcript each week, you can subscribe to that at www.erichagan.pro. Also, if you'd like to get financially organized, head on over to nocostfinancialdashboard.com and take control of your financial future. Lastly, if you want to find out if you're invested right, visit getinvestedright.com right now. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.